Most landscapers treat reviews like a checklist. Just get 5 stars and move on. But what if your reviews could actually sell for you before you ever show up? The problem isn't getting stars, it's what you do after to get them. I recently worked with a landscaper who had over 50 5-star reviews. Sounds impressive, right? But when potential clients read those reviews, they weren't converting into calls because he was missing a critical opportunity. This is especially important right now as homeowners are researching landscapers for their spring and summer projects. People are actively reading your reviews today, deciding whether to call you or your competitor. And one simple change could be the difference between winning that job or losing it. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your reviews into a silent sales tool that builds authority every single day without requiring any extra time or money. Here's what most landscapers get wrong about reviews. They focus entirely on getting the 5 stars and then respond with something generic like, "Thanks for your review," or "We appreciate the business." This is a completely wasted opportunity. Think about it. When someone leaves you a positive review, they're not just giving you stars, they're publicly endorsing you. They're telling their story about working with you, and that story stays online forever, influencing everyone who reads it. But when you respond with a generic "thanks," you're missing the chance to amplify that, to add context, and to showcase what makes your landscaping business special. I was looking at a local landscaper's Google business profile recently. They had 47 5-star reviews. Every single response was some variation of thank you for your review. We appreciate the business." But here's the problem. Those reviews are sitting on their profile. They're being seen by potential clients, but they're not doing any work for the business. They're not building authority. They're not reinforcing expertise. They're not selling for them while they sleep. They're just there. And here's what most people don't realize. Real trust isn't built by the stars alone. It's built by the story behind the stars. Think about it from the customer's perspective. When you're looking to hire somebody for a $10,000 patio project, you don't just count the stars. You read what others say. You look for specific details that resonate with your own project, and you pay attention to how the business responds. Generic responses create doubt. They make people wonder, do they even remember this customer? Do they really care about their work? Are they actually experts or just going through the motions? I've tested this with real customers, and we've showed them 2 nearly identical profiles, same star rating, same number of views, but one had personal replies and the other had generic thanks responses. When asked who they'd call first, 83% said the one with the thoughtful responses. Why? Because they said it felt like he cared more about his customer and his work. And if you're thinking this sounds like a lot of work, I get it. But trust me, this is 60 seconds of effort that pays off long after the job is done. All because you can get 5-star reviews doesn't mean they're building your business the way that they could. So what should your reviews actually be doing for your landscaping business? First, they should help future clients imagine working with you. When someone reads a review and your response, they should be able to picture themselves having that same positive experience. If they did such a great job on Mike's patio, they'll probably do a great one on mine too. Second, reviews should signal your expertise, professionalism, and your personality. They should show that you're not just technically skilled, but also great to work with. This emotional connection is often what tips the scales when prices are similar. Third, properly handled reviews can actually boost your SEO. Google pays attention to the keywords and phrases used in reviews and responses, which can help your business show up more often in local searches. Think about it. When someone searches hardscape patios in whatever city, and you've mentioned hardscape patio in your review, you're giving Google more reasons to show your business. And fourth, reviews can reinforce your specialty or niche. When that high-end patio solving drainage problems or maintaining HOA properties, consistently highlighting your specialty in reviews responses subtly tells potential clients This is what we're known for. Let me show a real example. A hardscaper I work with was struggling to stand out from his competitors. He did great work, but so did the others in his area. He was getting leads, but many were shopping around on price. We helped him completely change his approach to his review responses, and within 3 months, his inquiry to quote ratio jumped by 35%. Same reviews, same star rating, just better responses that built authority. And here's the really interesting part. His closing percentage on quotes increased from 22% to nearly 40%. And when we surveyed new clients about why they chose him, many mentioned reading his review responses and feeling like he really cared about his work and his clients. One client specifically said, "I could tell from how you responded to past customers that you really paid attention to details. It's exactly what I wanted for my backyard project." This is the power of treating reviews as a marketing tool and not just a vanity metric. It pre-sells clients on your value before you ever meet them. Alright, here's the part most landscapers tell me they wish they had learned years ago. If you're someone who likes to write things down, now's the time. It's a simple 4-step response you can use on nearly every review. Step 1. Thank them by name. This makes it personal and human. Like, "Thanks, Mike," is much better than a generic "thanks for your review." Personalizing your response shows you actually remember them. It signals to potential clients that you value individual relationships, not just transactions. Step 2. Call out a specific detail from their project. This proves the review is real and shows you remember their job. "Your backyard transformation in Troy was one of our favorite projects this spring." This specific detail is crucial because it does 2 things. It validates the authenticity of the review, fighting the perception that reviews might be fake, and it demonstrates your attention to detail as a contractor. Think about including elements like the neighborhood or city where you did the work, a specific feature of their project, that curved walkway, the boulder retaining wall, a challenge you overcame, like that slope in the backyard, working around an existing tree, or a unique material or technique you used. Step 3. Reinforce your niche or value proposition. This subtly reminds readers what you specialize in. Creating outdoor living spaces that families can enjoy for years is exactly what we love doing. This is where you can weave in what makes your landscaping business different. Are you known for your attention to drainage details, your custom stonework, your low-maintenance plant selections? Whatever your specialty is, reinforce it here. Step 4. Close with authority, either by expressing pride or looking to the future. "We're proud of how that curved paver edge turned out," or "We'd love to see how your outdoor space looks once everything is in bloom." This final touch shows ongoing care and expertise. It tells potential clients you stand behind your work long after it's complete. Let me give you a complete example. Here's how you might respond to a 5-star review. "Thanks, Melissa. Your backyard in Howell was one of our favorite spring builds. That curved paver edge really made the patio feel custom. Outdoor living spaces like yours are what makes..." "Thanks, Melissa. Your backyard in Howell was one of our favorite spring builds. That curved paver edge really made the patio feel custom. Outdoor living spaces like yours are what we love to create. Let us know how that fire pit's working out this summer." Now compare that to the typical "Thank you for your review. We appreciate your business." Do you see the difference? This response does several things. It personalizes the interaction by using her name. It proves you remember something specific details about their property. It reinforces your specialty in outdoor living spaces, and it shows ongoing care about their satisfaction. Here's the best part. It takes less than a minute to write a response like this, but it works for you 24/7, building authority with everyone who reads it. One landscaper told me he was getting more calls specifically about fire pit installations after he started highlighting them in his review responses. He didn't change his service or his marketing budget. He just changed how he responded to reviews. Now let's talk about how to handle different types of reviews. For 5-star reviews with detailed comments, use the full framework I just shared. The more specific you can be in your response, the better. For 5-star reviews with minimal comments like "great job," you'll need to add a little bit more context yourself. "Thanks, John. We really enjoyed working on your front yard landscaping project last month. Those native plants will look even better as they mature over the seasons. Creating low maintenance, beautiful front yards is our specialty. Looking forward to seeing how it transforms your curb appeal." You see how we expanded a simple "great job" into an opportunity to showcase the work and expertise? For the occasional negative review, respond with empathy and appreciation for the feedback. A brief explanation, not an excuse, if appropriate, how you've addressed or will address their concern, and an invitation to continue the conversation offline. Remember, your response to a negative review isn't really for the unhappy customer. It's for all the potential customers who will read it. They want to see how you handle problems. Once you have a great review with a thoughtful response, you can leverage them even further. First, turn reviews into social media content. Take a great review and pair it with a photo of a project they're talking about and share it on your social platforms. This creates authentic content without having to come up with new ideas. Some of the most successful landscapers I know have a Review of the Week series on their social media. They highlight one great review each week with a project photo. It's consistent, easy content that builds credibility. Second, use review quotes in your project proposals or on your website. Nothing builds confidence like seeing what others have to say about your work who have worked with you. Try adding a "What Our Clients Say" section to your proposals with 2 or 3 relevant review excerpts. Third, create a client feedback section on your Google business profile or social media and pin your best reviews where they're most visible to potential clients. Fourth, categorize reviews by project type. On your website, group reviews under categories like patios and hardscaping or landscaping and planting and maintenance. This helps potential clients find relevant feedback for their specific project. One landscaper I know actually carries an iPad with screenshots of his best reviews to consultations. When a potential client hesitates about price, he simply shows them what others have said about the value of his work. It's way more effective than in defending his own prices. Remember, the content of reviews is just as important as the star rating. A detailed 4-star review with a thoughtful response can actually be more compelling than a vague 5-star review with a generic "thanks." Here's how to start implementing this approach today. 1. Go back and update your responses to your most recent 10 reviews using the framework I just shared. This will immediately improve what potential clients see first. 2. Set a reminder to check for new reviews at least twice a week. Responding quickly shows you're attentive and professional. 3. Keep a simple document with key details about your projects. This makes it easier to recall specific information when responding to reviews. 4. Track which types of review responses get the most engagement or mentions from new clients. This helps you refine your approach over time. With the spring season underway, homeowners are actively researching landscapers right now. Taking an hour this week to optimize your review response could directly impact your lead quality for the entire season. If you're doing great work, your clients are already saying it. The key is learning how to amplify the right stories and make them work harder for you. While most landscapers ignore the power of a review response, the smart ones are using them as silent sales tools that build authority every single day. Next time you get a review notification, don't just say "thanks." Take 60 seconds to respond thoughtfully using the framework I just shared. Your future self will thank you when you're booking better projects with less resistance on price. Drop a comment below sharing your best review tip, or let me know if you've noticed some good responses when hiring services yourself. I'd love to hear about your experience and feature some real examples in a future video.